Thank you for joining me today as you learn all about college and the opportunities that lie ahead for you. My name is Jackie Berry, and I'm an outreach presenter for the Minnesota Office of Higher Education. In a moment, I'm going to share my screen with you so that you can follow along as I give you lots of useful information. Our hope is that it will help you in finding the best college for you. So, why college? A college degree can qualify you for a wider variety of jobs. By 2020, 65% of all jobs in Minnesota will require some level of post-secondary training. Over a lifetime, a college graduate is likely to earn approximately $1 million more than a high school graduate. College graduates typically have better access to healthcare than those with only a high school diploma. And finally, someone that graduates from college is more likely to own a home than someone with only a high school diploma. Earn more with a degree. In general, the higher the degree, the lower the unemployment rate as reflected by the blue bar graph here. Additionally, the higher the educational degree, the more opportunity you have to make more money as reflected by the green bar graph. Here we'll take a look at the types of degrees and the time commitment for each. If you're obtaining a diploma, it'll take 2 months to a year, a certificate, 2 months to 2 years, associate's degree, 2 years, bachelor's degree, 4 years, doctorate, 4 to 6 years after your bachelor's degree, and professional is 1 to 5 years after your bachelor's or doctorate degree. When you're thinking about the program area that you want to go to school for, you could try looking at the minnesota.gov DEED website. Here, you can compare a program along with the median income across the second, third, and fourth year after graduation. In the first year after obtaining a bachelor's degree in engineering, 69% of the students earned a median income of $59,797. This may be important to you as you try to determine what you want your future career to be. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this was really helpful, and good luck in finding the perfect college for you.